Students, as I promised, every video I will do in Hindi English. I'm also going to do in pure English. So in this video, I want to tell you, you must have noticed, there must have been app notification. There is a New Year discount going on NEET Prep courses. Now, I wanted to caution you, don't hurry up. Don't hurry up. You should not buy NEET Prep course without watching the trial course. The link of the trial course is in video description. Go and watch the trial course first. Come to a conclusion whether this will help you or not. If you find this will be helpful, you have some questions, you want to talk to me, you can call me on this number 9667591930. But you should not purchase our online course without going through the trial course, without watching videos, without understanding whether you are able to understand from these teachers better than wherever you have been studying till now. This is the first thing. Second thing is, joining NEET Prep course is not a guarantee for selection. It is not a guarantee for selection, because 85% contribution in your selection is going to be your own hard work. Don't assume, okay, I bought the course, now I'm definitely going to get selected. That is not going to happen. You will get selected if you spend 10 to 12 hours every day if you are a NEET 2021 aspirant, and if you spend 5 to 6 hours every day if you are a NEET 22 aspirant. If you are not ready to put in hard work, this course is perfectly useless like any other course, right? This course is perfectly useless if you are not going to put in the required hard work into it. So if you are not ready, whether you should prepare or not, if you are not ready to do the hard work, you should definitely not purchase the course. This is the second caution. Third thing is, NEET Prep course is a recorded course and it is not a live course. It is not a live course. Why? Because I personally believe the benefit of online learning is you can learn anytime, at any place, at your own speed. All of these things, I think, get compromised when it is live classes, whether they are online or in classroom. This is why we started this, because we wanted students to learn at their own pace, the pace that is comfortable for them, right? Please understand this. This is a recorded course. This is not a live course. If you want to join a live course for whatever reason, you should not purchase NEET Prep course, right? Now, what do you get in the course? You get 550 hours of video lectures. You get 550 hours of video lectures. These are recorded in pure English. They are also available in Hindi plus English, which are for students who can understand Hindi. For students who do not understand Hindi, we have a course which is in pure English. You get 20,000 practice questions with solutions. You get doubt solving. You post a doubt, our faculty will respond in 24 to 48 hours. It is not instant doubt solving that you post a doubt and you will instantly get a response or get a phone call or get a video call from someone. No, you will post the doubts on NEET Prep platform, on question or on video, and our faculty will respond in 24 to 48 hours. You should be absolutely clear what you are getting and what you are not getting. That is why I'm saying don't hurry up. You get test series, you get flashcards, you get mind maps of all the physics and physical chemistry chapters where all the formula is there. You get on a single page. You can set targets. This is a unique feature of neetprep.com. You can set 1 week, 2 week target, decide which chapters you are going to finish in the target. At the end of the target date, you will get a test on the chapters that you set in the target, so that you can understand how well you prepared and what are the weak areas. You will get bookmarks. You can bookmark flashcards. You can bookmark questions, so that when time remaining is less, you are able to revise those things which you found difficult in your preparation when you were trying it for the first time. These three things, let me tell you something. This one, audio explanation, this is in English, right? Masterclass in biology, this is also in English. Both these things are not in pure English. This short duration revision course, which is going to start on 14 January, this is in pure English. And this will be free for all the students who are joined our full course. And students who have not joined our full course but have joined some other course, it would be available at a discount. Okay? Masterclass in chemistry, this will also be available on 14 January, but only organic and inorganic. Okay? And masterclass in physics, this will also be available on 14 January, but this would be only 12th 14 chapters, right? I am requesting Vipin sir to finish physical chemistry by 28th February, right? And I am asking Nath sir to finish 11th by 28th February. But again, these are also in English, right? So remember this. This is what you get in NEET prep course. Now, one more thing that you need to understand is there are two courses which are very popular on neetprep.com, which is Achiever course and Inspire course. Achiever batch is for 2021 students of Aryan Raj Singh and Inspire is for 2022 aspirants. In that you get, let me go with another color. You get practice questions, test series, flashcard, mind maps, audio explanations, bookmark, target setting. These are the things you get. You don't get doubt solving, you don't get videos, right? You don't get masterclass. All these things are not available there, right? But this is a very good thing if you're already preparing from someone, you want to practice questions, you want to give tests, you want to benefit from flashcards or mind maps. This is a very good course. So the listing of these complete courses is available in a link in this video description. Listing of the courses at the discounted price, New Year discount price, is available in video description. But I want to tell you again, don't hurry up. Take your time. Don't hurry up because there is a discount available. Important is you should first watch the trial course. This trial course link is also available in the video description, and the discounted price list of all the courses on neetprep.com, they are also available in the video description. But students, whether you join this course or not, it is very important that you give the required seriousness, the required hard work to the exam. Keep working hard and hopefully you will start New Year 2021 on a very positive note.